All right, guys. So I was in the area where I am right now, here to see another abandoned house, and I couldn't get in. So I was wandering around looking for someplace else, and I drove by this house, which from the outside, 100% looked abandoned. Very overgrown, hidden from the shrubs and the bushes out front. So I poked around, and I'm like, this house is definitely abandoned. So I did a little bit more poking around. And here I am, I'm inside and this house is definitely abandoned. Quite a time capsule, guys. Lots of stuff left behind. So let's quit talking. Let's turn the camera around and let's see what I found. So unfortunately, I kind of have no choice but to use my Lume Cube lights because it's getting a bit dark outside and the house is completely surrounded by bushes and shrubs and tree coverage. So there's not a whole lot of natural light coming inside the house. So we're starting here in what would have been the living room. And here we've got, guys, there's so much stuff left behind. So let's just get right to it here. Looks like at one time they did try to start packing things up and boxing things up. And then at some point it just stopped. So definitely was the house of an elderly couple with children and grandchildren, and there's all kinds of games here and family photos all around the house. Very, very sad situation, guys. Old wedding photos on the wall there. Family photos on the TV mantle. All right, moving on. So we'll go upstairs a little bit later. We're heading into what would have been possibly a dining room. Yes, because it's got that low-hanging light fixture here, so there would have been a dining room table here. Somebody was a nurse. There's a photo there. We got the Pope on the wall here. Phone station with a desk. It's a wheelchair here. Some more family photos back there. There's a china cabinet here full of china and teacups and wine glasses and other stuff like that. So here's your heating element right here to heat the room. Oddly, the house still has power too. The fridge is still running. And I actually think the neighbors are stealing power because there's a power cable running out the window to the neighbor's house. It's a very old bottle of Coke right here. This will be a short one, guys, so make sure you stick with me to the end because not that big of a house, so we'll be out of here and done pretty quickly. I haven't opened these. Oh yeah, okay. Tupperware, vitamins, medication. It's in this one here. Looks like some old Corningware, yeah. And then over here, see the ceiling tiles are starting to fall from the humidity. And we got some stuff in here. Some more vitamins and some glue. And then here I think we had some food. Yeah, we had baking powder and spices mixed in with the glue. Spice rack right there. There's a raccoon poop all over the place. So here's a look at the kitchen. Let's do a slow pan around so you can see it. Wood paneling on the walls. Back into the dining room. Give you guys a panning shot so you can see it. All right, let's head upstairs. Pretty small house, guys, so we won't be too long. Got quite a bit of old photos on the wall here. Proud family photos. Here's one bedroom. There's 2 bedrooms and a bathroom up here. Beds are gone up here. You have raccoon poop right there. You have a whole bunch of raccoon poop right there. Check out this light fixture, eh? Look at that. Happy Easter. So those are real plants, but they're dead, guys. Dresser with some more family photos. And then you got a bunch of dresses in the closet here. Still hanging nicely. Here's an interesting little room. This just kind of goes out to a little lookout. To look outside, but there's cobwebs everywhere. And every time I walk and look out there, I get cobwebs in my face. Another bedroom. This one's pretty cool. So this here, you've got an old Westinghouse record player. And here it's all banged up, not in very good shape. Pretty cool though. And this box right here, it has a bunch of old, really old records inside of it. The red box. And then you got 2 beds in this room. And you got, that's an old sewing machine right there. And here we got a dresser. There's some beads on the floor there. Somebody's been rifling through the jewelry, or the animals were rifling through things. Some more jewelry here. And nothing in there. Some curlers. And some more jewelry right there. And then there's a couple sweaters and coats, linens, towels, and then some more lovely clothes hanging in this closet, guys. Got an excellent bathroom here. Green bathroom. And in here we have some skin refining toner, liquid soap. And then over here, arthritis pain relief, alcohol swabs, very old Q-tips, guys. That's an old pack of Q-tips right there. Nice green shower curtain. Hey, look at that. Some more baby photos on the wall. Check this old school cassette recorder. It came in this box right here. Sony TC27C cassette recorder. And inside it, you've got, well, it comes with a tape. And then you've also got your microphone. So you can plug your microphone in and you can speak to people and then send them the tape. That's pretty cool, actually. They probably use that to send tapes back to their family overseas. That's really cool. Okay, this is pretty neat. So here, guys, we've got a bunch of really old dusty poppies. They're pre-2021. sorry, they're pre-2001 because they have the green leaf in the middle. After 9/11, they changed the poppy to black in the middle. So these are old pre-2001 poppies. But then as you go by, you've got these pieces of paper with what I'm guessing is the name and rank of people. And then there's these little patches. They look like military patches. And I don't know what they are. Something here. Some kind of a metal there. That's pretty interesting. I have to get really close because they're so small. But those are pretty neat. Huh. That's very interesting. A little tribute to something there. Okay guys, before we go, I'm going to open the fridge because it's running. We might as well. Here we go. Okay. Minute Maid orange juice. We have butter. I'm going to put my glasses on here, guys, and we're going to check some expiration dates here. Chicken pies. Okay, let's keep going, guys. We're going to find something with an expiry date on it. This doesn't have one either. The butter. The butter's got to have an expiry date on it. Butter has to have an expiry date. Are you kidding me? What about the ice cream? Here we go. 2022. Wow. It's only 2 years old. That's weird. So this expires in 2022. All right. Got some meat here. Spring rolls. All kinds of meat. All right. Let's see what's going on in the fridge here. We have some condiments here. We got Miracle Whip. Miracle Whip expires, let's see, December 9th, 2023? This is very strange, guys. We have an apple pie. And this is disgusting, guys. There's some kind of a Costco pumpkin pie. And look at that. Ugh, that is so gross. 2020. All right, guys, I guess we'll wrap it up. Keep it short. This is a brand new find to me. I'm sure somebody else has probably found this place in the past and discovered and explored it before me, because that's the way it is, guys. You never assume you're the first one anywhere. Anyways, super cool. So much interesting stuff left behind. I've really enjoyed this one, but it's getting dark, and I don't like exploring after dark. It's very risky. It's not very smart to have lights shining where people can see them. So I hope you guys have liked this one. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, drop me a comment down below, and if you're here for the first time and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Peace.